Meaning of dowser.
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 Dowser. A dowser is a person who uses a rod or stick to locate underground water sources, minerals, or other objects. The practice of dowsing is considered pseudoscientific by many, as there is no scientific evidence to support the claims of its efficacy. However, some individuals and organizations continue to use dowsing as a tool for exploration and resource location. Despite its controversial nature, dowsing remains a popular practice in certain cultures and communities around the world.